Good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for this opportunity. I see old and familiar faces, not just old because of age, but because of relationship during over the time. So thank you. Maraming salamat. We were given a chance. We're given this opportunity to serve again. And kami lumalahok upang makatulong doon sa tingin namin na mga bagay na may mga pangangailangan sa ating bansa. Siguro, if my colleagues will allow me, medyo banggitin ko na muna at baka susunod na tatanong dyan mamaya is, why are you running again? No? So, there are many reasons and many factors. Number one is I think the bill that I filed before that has not been acted upon should be pushed through. And that is the right sizing of government. 60+% of the budget of government every year, more than 6 trillion, goes to personal services. And a big chunk also of the 40% left goes to debt servicing. So almost nothing is left to be given, distributed to our people. So right sizing the government really is a very important thing that we should do. And then I would again push for a law that will outlaw fake news. Fake contents also. And then the 14-month pay law that I proposed before was not acted upon. And then perhaps the hybrid elections, di ba? Thank you very much. Marami pa siguro iba, pero our time is limited.
Thank you po. 2 minutes introduction for Senator Lacson. Thank you po.
Good morning. Simulan po ang aking opening statement sa pag-share sa inyo ng aking naramdaman for the past 2 years. Mas magaang kargahin ng apo kaysa pasanin ng mundo. Mas maginhawa na humilata sa kama kaysa bumangon ng maaga at pumasok sa opisina. Mas masarap manood ng Netflix kaysa magbusisi ng national budget. Upon the other hand, I also kept asking myself these questions. Do I feel better doing things for myself instead of helping others? Now, I have the answers. I just filed my certificate of candidacy. Should I be given again the mandate to return to the Senate, I do not have to reinvent myself. I will continue being a vanguard, if you will, of the annual national budget to the best of my ability. I will help President Bongbong Marcos pursue his administration's programs to benefit the majority of the Filipino people in alignment with his SONA message last year and in cadence with my personal credo, ang tama ay paglaban, ang mali ay labanan. What is right must be kept right. What is wrong must be set right. Thank you.
Thank you po. Sir?
Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Siguro, hinihintay nyo na naman kung ano sasabihin ko rito. Siguro naman hindi nyo na ako ipagtatanong dahil 3 terms na po ako bilang senador. At bumabalik, kung ako ipapalarin ulit, magiging 4 terms na ako rito sa tulong ng ating mga kababayan. At ang ano ko po ngayon ay, ako po ay nasa tourism, ano po natin yung agritourism, at saka bawat bayan, one product, one town. At yung nga po ano natin. At palalawigin ko po ang naipasa nating batas na pre-legal assistance at tinatawag pong lapid law. Kasi po hindi pa po nila nalalaman ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na po inaapi sa batas na hindi po nila alam na libre po, walang bayad. Kahit sinong abogado na di kampanilya ay pwede po nilang kunin na kasi sa PAW ay hindi po sila pwede maglaban kung PAW to PAW. Ito po kasi pwede po itong pre-legal assistant kung tawagin ay lapid law. Kaya po ako siguro sa experience ko naman, naging vice governor po ako ng lalawigan ng Pampanga na isang termino. 3 terms po ako bilang gobernador. Bali 9 years po ako na nanungkulan bilang gobernador ng lalawigan Pampanga. Kaya, at 3 beses na rin po ako, 3 terms na rin po ako bilang senador. Yun lang po, siguro sa experience ko ay pwede na akong manungkulan ulit at ulit. Bigyan sana ako ng pagkakataon ulit. Maraming salamat po sa ating mahal na Pangulo na dito binagyan ako dito sa bagong Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat po, Senator Lapid. We come now for the